we're going to go ahead and create a new project with the lovely avatar project right there. Name it whatever you want to name it. And then pick a folder to put it in. I try to keep mine in order, but sometimes it doesn't work out too well. You create the project. If things aren't installed, you have to update them. Or you just click on them, apparently. I swear I know what I'm doing. You always want to have it on the latest version. Otherwise, it may or may not break your avatar that you're creating. So what I usually do is I get everything except for the last two. Don't exactly need those two. Unless you're using something with audio link, then you need that one, but if not, you don't need it. You go ahead and open up. Which will of course take eternity, because who doesn't love good old-fashioned Unity? And back to our regularly scheduled program of it actually loading. Thought you'd want to skip that because it was boring. So, right here we have the lovely loading of absolutely nothing. You want to import custom package. And then you want to go down to wherever you placed your avatar. And you want to make sure that when you have your avatar, you place all of the textures in the same folder as it, so it's easier to access everything. Yes, of course. I'm not going to do it that way. So you can either do it that way, or you can just pull it up and select everything. And the lovely drag and drop. Now you've got everything in one section. What I do to keep it more organized is creating a folder. We got the textures right there, which you can just drag and drop one by one. And then you're going to want to create another folder for materials. Also, terribly sorry if I misspelled something. So what you do is you open up this one, go back, create, go down to materials, click on that. And if you're making it for Quest, you go with the VR chat, mobile, and either standard light or toon light. And I will show you what both of those look like, because they both look kind of different. Now what you're going to want to do is go through all these, like the banana ducks. You got your banana duck right there. So it can either look like that, or you can go there and make it brighter. But both of those work for Quest. And that's how you make a material. And what you're going to want to do, take it and drop that right there. Now these ones aren't packed, so you don't have to unpack them, but if you were to unpack them, you would click them and there would be an option to unpack. But we got this. And I can't exactly see it because it's pretty far away. What I usually do for really far away objects is I just keep on moving it closer until I can see it, which I don't even think it's there. I'll just accept my fate. Ignore its existence of not being there, it's fine. But if you were to have a model right there, I told you it was scuffed, you would grab your material and either drag it onto one of these slots or drop it onto the model. And then once you're done with it, adding all of your textures and your toggles and eyeballs and stuff, you go to the VRChat SDK, show control panel, put in your username and password, and then go into Builder. Make sure you're putting it on PC first. And then once you have it on PC, you should get a pretty long number for it, which is its code. And with the code, you click on this and right down here. Gotta love it. If you don't have this, you add component and you look up manager. You click on that, and then you can add in the blueprint ID. And then you can switch to, you go back over here and you switch over to Builder for the Quest version and upload it exactly the same way.